Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you how to add and edit headers. Do you want your document title, page numbers to appear at the top of every page? Let's add a header. Okay, so as I've highlighted here, the first thing you need to do is to go to the Insert tab and click Header. Then you choose a built-in design or click Edit Header to start afresh. Okay, so let's go to Insert. This is the Insert tab. Okay, then click on Header here. Click on Header, then you can select from the built-in options. Okay, so let's select this for example, and you can see document, title on every header. Okay, this is actually a session. There's a session break here. That is why it's not showing on this particular page. Okay, so as you can see, the document title appears on all the page here. So you can as well, put the title of the book here manually if you so wish. But let's just remove that first. So you come to header again and remove header. Okay, or let's come to header and let's edit header. Right, now let's say the title of the book is how to add and edit headers. How to add and edit headers. Okay, now let's format it a little bit. Let's increase the font, and let's give it color red. Okay, then let's put it on the middle. Okay, good. Now you can see how to add and edit headers. It's showing on all the page. Now the reason why it's not showing here is because of the session break. I can as well remove the session break for you to see. Okay, I remove the session break. Okay, good. Now let me just next page. Okay, now let me do that again. Now how to add and edit headers. Now let's format it again. Sorry, let me remove this paragraph. Now see, let's increase a little bit. Now reduce it. Now let me position it. Now let me center align it. Good. As you can see, it is showing on all the pages. The title is showing on all the pages. And the reason why it is not showing here is because of the fact that I selected different. Now I select this option. Okay, now if I have unchecked it, if I checked it, it won't show here, but I've unchecked it now. As you can see, it is showing on all the pages. Okay, showing on all the pages. So that is how to add and edit headers in Microsoft Word. Very simple and easy. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Do hit the subscribe button and like the video. Thank you.